What's good, YouTube fam? It's Charles here from Find It Flip It, back again with another video for you guys today. For those of you that are new here, I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, looking to really ramp things up and become a full-time reseller and just an entrepreneur in general. I'll be documenting that entire journey like here on this channel. So if you're interested in reselling and e-commerce, please subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. But with that being said, let's get into today's video and my first tutorial on this channel. Let's get it. So today, I want to show you guys how you can get nice, clean, white background photos on a budget just using these 4 white foam boards that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. And we're going to edit those photos using the Photoshop Express app. I thought the easiest way to show you guys this tutorial would be from a mobile perspective, because everybody doesn't have Photoshop desktop. So you can go into the Google Play Store or their App Store on your iPhone and download this app for free. With that being said, let's get over to my screen recording and I'll show you guys how I take the photo and how I edit them in that Photoshop Express app to get nice professional looking images. What's good, y'all? Here we are in the App Store on the iPhone. All you have to do is go into the search box and just type in Photoshop Express. There it is. I've already downloaded it, so as you can see, it's going to just say open for me, but it'll say get or install if you're on the, Google Play Store. Also, you're going to want to go get the Photoshop Fix app to remove the hangers, which I'll explain later on and show you how to do that in that app. But that's going to be the 2 apps you're going to need to do this whole process. So let's jump over to the camera now so that you guys can, see live what I have going on. In the camera mode now, as you can see, I just have 4 lights. This is the lighting setup. 4 light bulbs, just got those splitters from Home Depot. Nothing special. As you can see, these are those 4 white foam boards that I picked up from Dollar Tree. You see, it's just taped around the edges. Nothing special. You don't want to tape along the seams because then you'll end up with a glare from the light source that you're using, and you don't want to have to do any extra work. But we're just going to go in just like this and get some images, pick the one that looks the best. Good, so we're gonna go into the Photoshop Fix app now. That's the main thing we're gonna start with. Let's go find that one. Okay, here we are. Okay, so here's the image that we're gonna start working with. First thing you wanna do is go to the healing tool. I think it's the 4th one from the left. You wanna zoom in. Let's see what the brush size is. That looks good. And all you're going to do is go over the hanger like this. And you see, it's just going to take it out. Let's go back 1 so that I can get that a little. Alrighty. So from here, we're actually going to change the brush size. That's actually a little too small. Yep, there we go. And you're just going to really just go through and paint out the hanger. And there you go. So from here, we're going to go over and jump into the Photoshop Express app to actually edit this image now that we have. Let's save that to the camera roll. There we go. Jump over to the Photoshop Express app. And from here, it's pretty much simple. It's whitening the background enough. That's not the image. Where are we? I think this is it right here. Should be. Yep, that's it right here. So as you can see, we still have the seams and stuff. But once you bring all of the whites and the highlights and everything up, all that should just disappear. So from here, let's go to highlights. Bring that up to 100. Then we're going to go over to the whites and bring that up to 100. You're going to go over to your shadows, bring that down a little bit, but you really want the tones to match the actual item you're seeing in person. You want what you see on your screen to match that and resemble it as close as possible. So that's the main focus right here. Bring the contrast up a little, just a slight bit. Let's see how we're looking with those lines. See, lines are completely gone now, so you can't even see the lines at this point. We're actually good. I'm bringing the color temperature, cooling the image off just a little bit to get a nice white background. That's looking great. Go over to the effects, clarity. Just because I'm shooting this from an iPhone, I figure I might as well bring that up a slight bit. Make the image look a little better. Sharpen. Maybe like 5 or something. You never want to do too much with the sharpening because it will make your image look crazy. And that pretty much looks like it's it. It looks good from there to me. If you guys have any questions or anything, please feel free to ask me. We're just going to go to the aspect ratio, crop it, rotate the image a little bit. There it is. Okay, so there you guys have it. I hope this video helped you all. I hope you can use it to improve your own photography and just expand from here. This is the simplest, the simplest way I could explain it. But there are so many more features in this app and also the Photoshop Fix app that you can use to step your game up. I hope this helped everybody. I appreciate you guys for watching. Please like the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.